This tutorial shows you how to enable voice activation through Gemini so you can use it completely hands-free. First, open the Google app on your Android device. From there, tap your profile icon at the top right of the screen. After that, tap Settings from the menu. At this point, tap Gemini. From here, tap Talk to Gemini hands-free. Following this, toggle on Hey Google to enable voice activation. After that, to train Gemini to recognize your voice, follow any on-screen prompts that appear and say Hey Google a few times so it can learn how your voice sounds. Once that's done, Hey Google will be fully active, and you can say it from anywhere on your phone to launch Gemini instantly without touching your screen. Finally, keep in mind that for Hey Google to work while your screen is off, make sure the Listen when screen is off option is also toggled on from the same settings page. That's how you set up Hey Google on a Samsung phone. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch the next one. See you then!